Hello everyone, in this video we'll see what are the best and cheap available shared hosting for WordPress beginners. So there are so many renowned hosting providers in the market. So I have listed around 7 best hosting providers. The one is Bluehost. So their starting price is $1.99 per month and average load time is 1.2 bit delay, and it is best for overall WordPress hosting. And second one is SiteGround. It is around 2.99 per month, but depend on the season, year end, they will provide a offers also. And the average load time is 397, so it's very fast, and it's which is best for high performance WordPress hosting. And third one is the Hostinger. It is 2.69 per month. Sometimes it may be around $3. Sometimes it may be $2. Depend on the season. With the offers, they are providing 75 to 85% offer. Also, they are providing 20% additional offer for the referral link. So we have also a referral link. If you want, you can use. It is best for small businesses, blogs, and any other website. You can host up to 100 websites with 100 GB SSD. It's best for any WordPress hosting. Similarly, DreamHost, it also 2.59. It price also ranges, and it is also suitable for small business and personal sites. And the fifth one is A2 hosting, that is $1.75 per month, comparatively cheap price. It is also good for professional and small businesses. And also WordPress also providing hosting, but it is little bit high, that is $10 per month, and it also fast, and it is best for business and e-commerce. And the final one is the HostGator, that is $2.52. It price also ranges depend on the season, and it also good for blogs and similar businesses. So my among five, my preference is Hostinger. We'll see how to purchase hosting with the Black Friday offer, also with additional 20% coupon code. And let's see how to obtain the free domain, free SSL, and installation of WordPress very easily. Let's see that. Here you can see the rating of the Hostinger in Trustpilot, Google, and other rating platforms. There are two perfect plans available. One is premium, other one is business. Depend on your need, you can select the package. If you are a beginner, better to select the premium package. That is $1.95 per month. This is for the Black Friday deal. You can see you can install up to 100 websites. You can manage WordPress easily with 100 GB SSD, and free email, free domain also available, and free SSL. It will automatically install the free SSL. So it's very easy for the beginners. And other features include free one-click WordPress installation. It's very easy to install WordPress. If you are a beginner, it's a very perfect match for you. Okay, let's choose this the premium plan. Here you can see the 48 months. You will have the 1.95 per month. That is the subtotal of $93.6. So you have to purchase 48 months. That is 4 years. So if you purchase 4 years only, you will get this offer. So if you want, you can get 1 month, 12 months, 24 months also you can get. But if you purchase 12 months, it will charge around 2.48 per month. So better to purchase 48 months, that is 4 years. It will be very good offer for you. So it is 93.6. So let's see how to get 20% offer for this. To get additional 20% off, you have to click our referral link that is in the description. After clicking our referral link, you can choose the plan. Wow, now you can see 20% off coupon is applied. So now you can get 74.88. Earlier it was 93.6 per dollars. Now it have changed to 74.88. So please click our referral link to get this 20% off. Then click continue. Now you have to create an account. You can create account easily by clicking your Google email link. So when you click that G, you can sign up. Once you sign up, you will get following form. So here you have to give your details to get the hosting in your name. So you can fill up this form and continue. Okay, now it will go to the payment page. Here you can pay with several methods. You can pay with card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay. If you are in India, you will get some other option also. So you can select preferred method of payment and you can pay. Once you submit and confirm the payment, following page will appear. Hello, who is this website is for? So you can select myself or my business. Click next. So in these questions you can give any answer. So let's give create new website. Click next, and here it will ask, do you want to install WordPress or hosting a website builder? So our preference is WordPress, and click next. Here you have to give your WordPress username and password. Username is a email address and password. So this is my default email is appearing there. You can create a password as well. Create a strong password as mentioned here, and you have to keep the username and password separately, so this will needed for your WordPress access. Then click next. Here what type of website do you want to build? So you can give anything here, or else you can click create blank site, whatever choice you can give. So I am giving create a blank site. Now it will ask you to obtain your free domain name. So here you can give your preferred free domain name. So I am giving my domain name here. Here it will show the domain extension. You can select whatever extension here. .in, .io, .me, .com. There are several options available. Most of them are free. Some are paid versions. So you can select your preferred one. So I am selecting .com. Now click next. Okay. Now it will ask you to register your domain name. The primary information is a personal or the company or organization. So I am giving this as a personal. Then click next step. Here it will ask you to fill up the detail. So if you given the detail for hosting, it will automatically appear here. If you want to change anything, you can change here. Then click finish registration. It will take few minutes to register your domain. So once finished, following screen will appear. Where's your target audience located? This is important for the content delivery network, that is CDN. So you have to select the nearest one. So I am from Sri Lanka, so I am selecting the nearest one as India. Okay, now click next. Once you click next, it will automatically start the installation of WordPress, because we have already selected the content management system as WordPress. If you are not selected, you can again select when you go to the dashboard as well. So it will automatically install the WordPress. You have to wait few minutes. Wow, you can see the WordPress is installed. Now you can connect with the cPanel. So before that, you have to verify your domain name. Go to the registered email and confirm the email for the domain name. Okay, now come back and click connect with cPanel. So in the website area, you can see your website name is appearing. So if you have multiple website, all the websites will be appear here. So if you want, you can click the dashboard and you can go do the settings, or else you can click this WordPress admin and open the WordPress dashboard. Okay, now it will open the WordPress dashboard. Once you click dashboard, the proper WordPress dashboard appear here. So if you want, you can remove this unnecessary items by click here and untick all the options. If you want to install the themes, click appearance and click themes, and here you can add any themes and you can install your website and do further things. So if you have any issues, feel free to contact us. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to use our reference links for the 20% offer.